case?
Everything's open already for a child neglect abuse case for my son, for a babysitter. He's already been to the emergency room, and the DIFUS worker watched the videos and had to step outside. She said it was the most upsetting footage she's ever seen.
Have you seen the videos yourself?
I've watched them multiple times.
I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. I have my children here. I need to get somebody for my children, and I need to call my lawyer.
We'll handle that in a second. I need to put you in handcuffs. Put the phone down.
Call my husband.
It's okay, just put the phone down. Hello. Did you call?
The call box?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
All right, I'll let you guys in the lobby.
Am I at the right door?
Yeah, it's the right door.
Player 16, probably check 140.
Hello.
Okay, there's 218.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. So I'm Officer Leslie with Mount Laurel. I just got to let you know my body cam's recording.
Okay.
How can I help you?
I'm here to file a police report for, I have an open DIFUS and I'm blanking, prosecutioner office, whatever.
Prosecutor's office case.
Everything's open already for a child neglect abuse case for my son, for a babysitter who was in Mount Laurel. So they told me to come to the Mount Laurel Police Department to file it.
Okay. So they babysit your son in Mount Laurel?
Yeah, so it's a private in-home daycare, and I have video footage of it. He's already been to the emergency room, and DIFUS just left my house. They were there for like 4 hours, on and off the phone, and so I have kind of all of the information. They just told me to come and file an official report as well as a restraining order, because we do want to press charges.
All right.
And then this was the lady that just came to my house, and then these are all
This is the video.
videos and images of his injuries.
Okay.
I've been awake for a very long time.
No, I understandable. No.
INGRAHAM. I also have her phone number and address.
Okay. All right, just give me a minute. I'm gonna look through this paperwork and see if I have something that can play lightning.
There's a USB on the other side of it too, so you can turn it and it's
Fantastic. Oh man. All right.
All right, let's dive into this case. Before Judge Vonda would ever hear the evidence, a terrified mother walked into a police station carrying something no parent should ever have to bring. Videos, medical records, and photographs she believed exposed the abuse of her infant son. Officers immediately realized this was far more than a routine complaint.
3 separate videos, and then there's images that they're not organized in any way, but they asked me to get like progress photos of like how the bruises are developing on his face. So there's a lot going on.
I'm glad you have like everything in order. Like this is
to the prosecutor's office, who told me that they were making it an like immediate concern and that they were sending like the proof and everything to her house
he's 6
tonight.
months old.
The DIFUS worker watched the videos and had to step outside. She said it was the most upsetting footage she's ever seen.
Have you seen the videos yourself?
I've watched them multiple times.
Okay. All right, just give me a minute. There's also bathrooms back here if you need tissues or anything like that. Okay.
I don't know if you're going to watch them or not, but the first video is 14 minutes, and that's where most of
the majority. Okay. How long has she been caring for your son?
Since a little bit before Christmas.
Okay.
And he goes there twice a week, every week.
Okay.
There's 6 to 7 kids
that she cares for in total,
including 2 of her own. He's the youngest. There's a child who's slightly older, who's like 9 months, I believe, and then the rest of them age from, I think, like 3 or 4. I don't know their exact ages or their parents.
No, I gotcha.
But that's why I'm being so diligent, because I don't want anything else to happen.
All right. Does she know any of this? Or she's oblivious?
They explicitly told me not to say anything. She gave me a very false story. She originally I was at work, and she contacted me saying that he was just very upset. He woke up from a nap and was inconsolable, crying. So I just went and got him, and he was fine by the time that I got there.
Yeah.
I thought maybe he had an ear infection or something, so I took him immediately to the pediatrician's office to make sure that, to just rule out that he didn't have that episode for any reason.
Yeah.
And once they couldn't find anything, once we got him fully stripped down, they found like embedded nail marks, and he has bruising on his shoulder, a black eye, and cuts on his face, and he also had bruising on the back of his legs.
Okay.
But I didn't look back. The Ring camera footage is what she has like for her daycare. Like that's the parents can check in, but I'm at work, so I don't check it commonly. So I didn't know what actually happened until I left the pediatrician's office, because once we found the nail marks is when I needed to do a little bit more digging. And once I found that out, I took him immediately to the ER.
Okay. So like I said, it's going to be a couple minutes because I'm going to review all this.
Yeah, that's fine.
And look at the camera footage. Here.
As the mother explained what happened, the investigation quickly gained momentum. She described a private in-home daycare where her 6-month-old had been left twice a week. But after a sudden medical emergency, doctors uncovered bruises, scratches, and injuries that couldn't be explained by an accident. The judge would later see how every discovery pushed the case in a darker direction.
Here is this, and then I made a copy of that. So, I mean, obviously I'm going to do a report. Oh, and then I also spoke to the...
Yes, she just
The
texted
prosecutor.
me. Oh, the prosecutor.
I gotta grab her card, because I also made a copy of that. So, I mean, she said they're going through with their investigation too. I don't know if she told you that as well. And then you said, all right, so you said you wanted to do a restraining order against her?
That's what they told me to do.
Okay.
I've never been in this situation before.
No,
I don't know
I
what
got you.
any of this means, but I don't want her to ever be able to contact me or my family or any, like, I never want.
No, I understand.
So just,
Whatever we can
that's
do
what I was
to
told was the right
protect.
thing to do.
Yeah,
I just wanna
to protect
the
you and your
family.
child.
Yeah.
No, I got you. Sorry, I'm just going to run through a couple of things here.
You're fine.
So he had on his back, correct?
Yeah.
And then the prosecutor said it looked like it was both hands, like somebody...
Yeah, so the ones that I saw that were the most prominent was on his, I don't even remember at this point, his left side.
Yeah.
There were 4 perfect, like 4 fingernails, and then he has that bruise where
Yep,
like
that's-
the thumb would be.
Yep, she said there was redness under the armpits.
Yeah.
And then the
he
left
has
armpit turned
black
into a
eye
bruise, and then the
his
left
cheeks.
eye. Left eye turned into a bruise as well. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna speak with another officer, and then I'm gonna speak with another officer, just trying to clarify. Since you do want to do a restraining order, and then
Yeah.
okay, so let me just talk to them about the restraining order process, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay.
Thank you.
Clear. Okay. So I just filled him in on everything.
Investigators carefully reviewed the evidence, while the mother revealed that child protection officials had already witnessed the footage and were reportedly shaken by what they saw. She insisted she wanted criminal charges and every possible legal safeguard, fearing not only for her own child, but for every family that had trusted the same daycare provider.
Miss Ingram here. For the daycare, is it like a registered daycare, or it's just like a...
It's just like private and then
Okay.
yeah, it doesn't have like a LLC company name or anything.
Gotcha. How'd you find out about her? Like word of mouth, or?
Yeah, well, kind of. There was I was referred to a Facebook group that's specific, it's like a private group that you join for like people to advertise their in-home daycares.
Yep.
You know, like as an alternative to like kitty care and
No,
kitty
I gotcha.
and stuff like that. And I found her on there. I made a post just saying that I was looking for, like, you know, 2 days a week, this hour, and she commented on my post. And then on the people that commented on her saying, she's great, like, she's good.
Yeah.
So then I went and met with her, and she had references and that I spoke to, and shebang.
All right. Let me grab that card from the DCP&P agent. I'll bring that out to you, and then, like I said, I'm still going to be doing the report in reference to the restraining order. I would contact the court about that, because as far as the township's concerned, we can't do anything since it's not domestic.
Yeah.
And then,
So I'm assuming they'll be contacting me?
yeah, so, I mean, DCP&P ultimately is going to be doing a further investigation, because that's what they're trained in. Like, we can't bring a 6-month-old in here and question him.
You might have
You can try.
No, but
Raspberry.
and I'm not downing that. I'm not downing that. But I mean, if anything, they're going to do the further investigation, and it seems like you have a case based off of everything you provided, and after speaking with the agent. And then the other thing is, like, they have other children at the daycare, like you said, so they might be able to talk to them. They just have the experience with talking with the children and different ways that they're trained in to do that. So, and like I said, if you have any other questions or anything else you want to provide, I gave you that card. It has all the contact info on it, and then you can also just contact the police department.
Okay.
If you want to speak to like a detective or someone else. But let me grab that card for you, and I'll get you out of here, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Police continued documenting every detail, tracing how the babysitter had been recommended through a community group and had appeared trustworthy with references and positive reviews. But as agencies coordinated their investigation, the judge would later learn that detectives believed the evidence justified moving the case forward, while specialists prepared to determine whether other children had also been placed at risk.
Hi, Miss Ingham. Can you come out and talk to me, please? All right, I'm Detective O'Hanlon. I talked to you the other day. I'm sure you know
Yes.
about
sorry.
that incident. Just want to let you know my body-worn camera is recording. Okay. As a result of our investigation the other day, there is a warrant out for your arrest right now. Okay. I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. I have my children here. I need to get somebody for my children, and I need to call my lawyer.
You're not calling your lawyer because we're not questioning you. You can call your husband for childcare.
Fellas.
Excuse me.
Just
My children are right here.
okay. Listen, relax. Okay.
No, this is it.
Call somebody for childcare. Okay. All right. All right.
Here,
Can you let
we'll
go
handle
of
that
me?
in a second. I need to put you in handcuffs.
Who are you?
I will handle that in a second, please. Just put
Can
the
I
phone
call
down.
my husband?
Okay, just put the phone down. We'll handle that in 2 seconds, okay? Put your other hand behind your back, okay?
Hey, kids, let's go over here, guys. Come on. Everything's okay. All right. Everything's good. You're good. Yeah.
Do you want to search by the car?
Yeah. We'll do it away from the house.
Mike is my neighbor. My kids are inside. Can you be with them?
Yeah,
We have somebody over there with them too. So.
I'll go right over.
All right. All right. We're just gonna go to the front of this car here. I'm gonna just search it really quickly. Okay.
I don't have anything on me.
Okay. All right, right over here. Let's go more towards the other side so people can't really see. Right here is fine.
3139 East Western Charles Carter.
You don't have anything on you?
I don't.
Okay, you're wearing a sports bra?
I am.
You don't have anything?
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Try not to hurt you.
No, you're. It's just tight.
Okay. Do you have any pockets in these pants here?
I have. In the front, there's like a smudge pocket.
Okay, is there anything in there?
Cash.
Cash? Okay. Do you want us to keep that here, give it to your husband?
Yeah. It's like you feel it.
Yeah. It's okay, yeah, I see it. Okay.
There's 350 there.
350. I'm gonna count it in front of you as soon as I'm done searching you, okay? So actually, you wanna count? Yeah, just count it. All right, we're gonna bring you back to the station. We got a fingerprint you and photograph you, okay? All right.
The investigation reached its turning point when detectives arrived with an arrest warrant. Outside the suspect's home, officers calmly placed her in handcuffs despite requests to call a lawyer first, making arrangements to ensure her children were cared for before transporting her to the station. By the end of that afternoon, what had started as a mother's desperate report had become a full criminal case, leaving the judge to ultimately decide where justice would lead.